Okay, recently we tested a Playcraft pontoon with a single 400R racing engine from Mercury. I'm in Chicago. Check it out. What's 2 times 400 on a Manitou X Plode? Crazy. I'm about to take a ride. Don't know what the top speed is, but I'm going to cinch my hat down. We're checking out the 2018 Manitou. One of the passengers in the co-captain seat is Willie Young, linebacker for the Chicago Bears. Powered by twin Mercury 400R Racing Outboards. 800 horsepower if you're math challenged. We're going to go past Soldier Field here in a minute. This is a little scary. About 72 miles an hour. Telltale on the Speedo. 72. I think we can do 73. We have too much weight though. We have to kick somebody off the boat.
Just drop me on the pier. Walk back.